The Sunjoe SPX2790-MAX. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. With a grime-busting max pressure of 2,200 pounds per square inch and max flow of 1.1 gallons per minute, the toughest cleaning jobs are as easy as point and spray. Clean, restore, transform. The SPX2790-MAX aerates detergent into foam and sprays it up to 15 feet for maximum coverage. The foam cannon is a favorite of pro detailers and auto enthusiasts nationwide. The 3 quick connect nozzles, from a 0-degree pinpoint jet to a 40-degree fan spray, plus a bonus turbo nozzle, make any cleanup easy, which means no job is too tough to rinse away dirt and grime for a Sunjoe shine. The heavy-duty 20-foot high-pressure hose uses high-tensile, wire-reinforced tubing and a smooth inner core to minimize pressure drop, like commercial gas units. The lance is stainless steel, the highest quality in the industry. Full-size fittings are solid brass with all-metal connections that prevent leaks and maximize performance. Sunjoe's 14.9 amp motor delivers gas-like power with electric convenience. Total stop system starts on trigger pull and stops on release. So there's no better time to win the war on grime. Go with Joe. Get equipped.